musician. Dr. Abonmai has been working tirelessly for our community, offering invaluable support to those in need. And as a social worker, he has touched the lives of countless individuals through his compassion, empathy, and dedication to making the world a better place. He is also working on a dream to further help and guide the people in the days to come.
Are you reading the English?
May I also add that he is also known as the gospel cowboy. He has shared his musical talents at various venues and events across the globe, as far as the Barbados and Texas in the United States, spreading positivity and joy through his songs. We are confident that Dr. Abonmai's presence at our event will be both uplifting and enlightening. We are also exceedingly happy to have with us in the second session, Mr. Zeliangrong, the Joint Chief Executive Officer of Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority, Government of Nagaland, as our special invitee today. Not only he comes highly trained in his professional work in disaster risk management from Singapore, Nairobi, and Bangkok, he is also an alumnus of the prestigious Singularity University in the Silicon Valley and also the Asia Pacific Center for Security Studies of Defense in Hawaii. He is also a futurist or a horizon scanner, a term given to those who attempt to systematically explore predictions and possibilities about the future and how they can emerge from the present. His unique presence in our midst is in itself inspiring, and we eagerly await his speech in the second session today. I also would like to especially acknowledge the presence of the representations of the civil society organizations from our home state. We are delighted to have with us the president of all Zeliangrong Students Union, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, the president and secretary of Zeliangrong Mipui organizations, or the Zeliangrong Women's Organization, our elder and leader, C.R. Zelian, convener, Zeliangrong Statehood Working Committee, and among others who have come all the way from home to be part of this celebration. We deeply appreciate your presence and the sacrifice of your time, your energy, and your resources. We also heartily welcome the officials of the Naga Students Union and the reps of the tribal units. We also welcome the representatives of the schooners. We also acknowledge and welcome Shri A. Pongshi Phom, member of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly, and Shri S. Toiho Yepto, member of Nagaland Legislative Assembly. May I call upon them on stage to receive a token of love and appreciation for gracing our function. May I call them up to the stage now. Thank you. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of Sri Vinay Konyak, Nagaland Civil Service, Joint Commissioner of Nagaland House, and I would like him to come up to the stage also for a small gift as a token of love and appreciation for his presence today. Thank you. This event has been organized to bring the zeliangrong people to come together and enjoy each other's company, to experience the biblical phrase, how good and pleasant it is for brothers to dwell together in unity. I believe that it is time we unite our hearts in this hour of great reckoning in our land and forge a new and prosperous future for ourselves. Our hope is that this event will trigger off a new energy among our people. Today, we remember and are grateful to all the people and the leaders who believed in the strength of our people. All the fire keepers who have kept the embers alive, who have stayed up awake in the night and have kept the spirit and hope of zeliangrong alive. Through the blindness of the night, who have kept the faith in the midst of confusion, who have kept their focus in the midst of noise and distraction. May the ember now kindle up a flame. You can blow out a candle, but you cannot blow out a fire. When the flames begin to catch, the wind will only blow it higher. May you feel the flame burn in your heart today. May you see the beauty of unity through this event. May you be able to fathom the potential power of a collective force of a united people. May the power laying dormant for decades spring up to challenge the status quo. And may our hearts beat in unison to the great task ahead to build the great nation that we can be. Zeliangrong ring telo, Kupnam.
Si Mama, pinagawa naman. 看机会出来。怎么的？没有你们。这是真的。
Good afternoon, Delhi. It's good to be back here, and I'd like to thank ZSUD for giving me this opportunity to come over here to sing this song to all of you. And I bring greetings from all the zeliangrong people from Pune. I came up all the way from there yesterday just to present this song for you all. I hope you enjoy it. So as we sing this song, I'd like all of you to participate. So can I teach you just 2 things in this song so that you can participate with me? Okay, there in middle row, this side and that side. That side is a little less, but still, we can do it. And the middle row. So 4 groups, and you just have to make 1 tone in it. As we just heard in the very beginning of this program, the hoing, which is a very, very patriotic thing in our culture. So I'm going to teach you a little bit to all of you, even to those friends who are non-zeliangrong over here. So kindly participate with me. Okay. So the chorus is, let's sing this word together because this is a very common word. Zeliangrong ring hello. Come on.
Hello. Hello. Check. Hello.
Sing after me.
Hello. Check. Check.
Ring hello. Zeliangrong.
Hello. Check. Hello.
Come on, I need it louder than that. Zeliangrong ring hello. Much better. Ring hello, zeliangrong. Okay, and then the second part is zeliangrong ile. Zeliangrong ile. Zeliangrong ile. Irunle. Liang mai, zeliangrong wiye, zeliangrong wiye, zeliangrong wiye. Change, rong mai, zeliangrong gaye, zeliangrong gaye. Zeliangrong gaye, gai change. Okay, so this group, the last part. Hoi. The middle group, the up balcony. Hoi. 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 Only that group. Hoi. Hoi. This group. Hoi. Hoi. Continue yours. Hoi. Hoi. And then hoi. 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 So all 3 together. Okay, let's do it. Not this group, because you're the one who's gonna sing during this part. So we're gonna sing Zeliangrong ile during this part. 1, 2, 3, go. Hoi, hoi. Okay, come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Zeliangrong ile, Zeliangrong ile, Zeliangrong ile, irenle. Sing it louder. Zeliangrong wiye, Zeliangrong wiye, Zeliangrong wiye. We change, Zeliangrong gaye, Zeliangrong gaye. Thank you so much. We're gonna participate in this. For your information, I released this song right from here, from Delhi, in the year 2018, and it's a very great honor to present this song here again. Here it goes.
Hello, hello, check.
Quang giao lâu zeliangrong mây cha quang đôi này cha quang cùng thao đinh rian băng ri nhân ri khăn đinh rian băng này man say quay lệ quang giao lâu zeliangrong mây cha buồn sẽ kinh quang giao lâu. Zeliangrong mê lòng mê cái đây nè rồi cái việc mình đưa cao ra ghép kia đi để kể đi đâu Zeliangrong mây cất tiếng học khai chiều giờ mây đã được cất tiếng lòng lung la đã thấy con áp chân sông học khai chiều giờ rất là đau nhiều hát đang ngầm la
Let's get the fellow in now.